So after entering that secret code, you will be shown and prompted with this menu that has a lot of options and settings that you normally cannot view. And this option and setting prompted from the secret code will make your phone around 2 times faster, and it will eventually make your battery life improved and enhanced as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to stick till the end and I'll show you everything step by step. Alright guys, I hope you're all doing well and I hope you're all safe and sound. Before we dive into the tutorial, just like every other video, I wanted to personally thank all of my friends. I'm not going to say followers or subscribers, I call them my friends, for commenting below and supporting me throughout my YouTube channel career. If you want your comment to be shown on the next video, all you need to do is just comment on this video and you will have a chance of having your comment shown. So again, thank you so much for all of these guys who supported me throughout the YouTube channel videos that I make, and I hope you guys stick around until the end. So thank you so much, and let's dive into the tutorial. So like I said, all you need to do is follow my steps and I'll show you what you need to do. The code is very easy and this is the code that's shown in front of you. I'll show you how this works in a bit. So the first thing you need to do is actually turn on developer mode on your Android smartphone, and I'll show you how to do that. So just bear with me, I'll show you everything step by step, and if you miss a chance or miss a step, just make sure to comment below, I'll help you out. So the first thing you need to do is go to the settings and drop down until you reach the option that says about phone. It might be different on your Android smartphone because it has a different OS version, but it's eventually the same. So just go down and find about phone and then tap on the build number 5 times. So tap on it 5 times continuously. It will ask for your passcode in case you have one, and then you will have developer mode turned on. And if it doesn't show you, that means your phone already has that turned on. It's because some phones come already turned on. After doing that, you need to go and restart your phone. So the second step is very important. You need to restart your phone. This is required for the process and for the tutorial to work properly. I tried it on different phones and it looked like the restarting was the essential step for this process to work for some reason. So after your phone is restarted, I'll go to the third and most important step of this tutorial. So let's just wait for the phone to finish restarting and I'll show you what to do. So usually when your phone finishes rebooting, it will ask for your passcode, so just type that in, and after that unlock your phone and then open the phone application. So once you open the phone application, I'll show you what the secret code is. So the secret code is something that works on many Android devices, especially those that come with MTK processors or GPUs, or CPUs to be honest. And after that, just type in the code, which is star hashtag 3646633 hashtag. After you use that, it will take you to the option or to the menu that's called engineer mode. You will see a bunch of options, but you don't need to touch or play with any of them. Be careful, these are very, very private, and also they can play around with the system, so just don't touch any of them and just choose the option, I think it's the 5th one, that says background data select. It's the 5th one on mine, it might be the 4th one on yours, so just find that and just tap on it. After you tap on it, make sure to tap on that box that says disable background data select. Now what this does, this will prevent your phone from refreshing all the apps that don't run, okay? So we need to first double check to see if the process is finished completely. So just type in the code one more time and then just type in the same code and then just go to the same option and double check and confirm that that box is checked. Once it's checked, that means the process has worked completely 100% without any issues. So like I said, this will allow your phone to work properly without your processor from refreshing any apps running in the background. So let's say you open Facebook or Instagram on the background and then you close them. Now what your phone does, it will go on and refresh those apps to see if there's new updates or there's new notifications coming to your phone. This will eventually harm your device when it comes to battery life and when it comes to CPU performance. And by doing this, we will disable that. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. That's it. If you have any comments or issues, make sure to comment below. I'll try my best to reply to all of them. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.